I be getting them spicy Cajun wings and whoo girl, they be so hot, but they be so good. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you. I'm Anissa, and in today's video, you guys, we are doing some graduation prep. Michaela's graduation was last week, but Josiah's is this week. So no traveling, you guys. Thank goodness. We won't be traveling for a while, but we are staying here in California and we are preparing for Josiah's graduation. So you guys, I need to do some cleaning, some shopping. You guys know the drill. We need to do it all, okay? So if you are new here, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you become a part of our YouTube family that we got going on here, okay? And if you have not already hit that like button, go ahead and hit that like button, because seriously, why would you wait, okay? We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I just want to say thank you to all of you who support this channel. We love you guys so dearly. And yeah, almost 1,000 subscribers. So crazy, so mind-blowing, but we are so excited, you guys. But let me stop jibber jabbering, you guys. I'm pressed for time as usual, so let's go ahead and get this day started. Okay, so I just got done picking up the house. Rylan just woke up from her nap, which is perfect timing. Jojo asked if he could go over to a friend's house, which is perfect because I won't have any kids in the house. I will be kid-free because I'm going to drop Rylan off at my sister's house actually for a couple of hours. She agreed to watch her for me so I could get some things done. And yeah, perfect. God is looking out for me. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Ready? You sleeping? Come on, go ahead. Okay, you guys, so I just got in from dropping both of the kids off. It is just me, myself, and I at the house right now. Now that the house is kind of picked up and put together and the kids are gone, I'm gonna have a little me time really quick. I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to my hair just because I have to do my hair later on tonight anyways for the graduation tomorrow, so I'm not gonna worry about that, but I am gonna throw some makeup on my face really quick and then we are gonna head back on out. Okay, you guys, so now that my makeup is done, I just got in the car. I'm going to head to Albertsons because Jojo wants cupcakes for his graduation instead of a cake. So I'm gonna go see, I know it's super last minute, but I'm gonna go see if they can make him some cupcakes. I guess we need about 18 cupcakes. So yeah, hopefully they can fulfill that order for me. If not, I'll figure it out. But yeah, we're headed to the bakery right now. Okay, real quick change in plans, you guys. I stopped at Target really quick just because it was on the way and I don't want to have to turn back around. So I'm gonna stop here first, then we'll head to Albertsons. My package with my outfit that I'm supposed to be wearing for the graduation hasn't arrived yet. So it's making me a little nervous, and I did see like a really cute romper here at Target, so I want to see if they still have it in my size. So of course they had it, but it wasn't in my size. It was either too small or too big, and I was just gonna try and get the too big one and try and make it work, but it was way too big. So moving on, let's go to Albertsons to see if we can get these cupcakes done. Okay, y'all, I know I don't gotta say this, but it is hot out here. Okay, where is the bakery? Let's see. Am I tripping? Where is the bakery at? Oh, found it. It's all the way in the back. Hi. What is your guys' timeline for cupcakes?
You can order it like today and get it tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's perfect. Yeah. That's exactly what I need. So I need about, I'm thinking maybe, I do 18 or 24. I better do 24 just to be safe.
Yeah.
So just regular vanilla cupcakes.
You need 24 of them?
Yeah, 24 vanilla cupcakes. If we could, ice 12 of them with white frosting.
Yeah.
And then 12 with blue frosting. And if the blue could be like, not a dark blue, but like the blue on this cake right here.
Like a baby blue?
Yeah,
okay,
that
cool.
would be great.
And then, you want them tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
What time are you gonna pick them up?
I'll pick them up around 12, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's good. And then can I get your name?
Anissa, A-N-N-I-S-A. Okay, so cupcakes were quick and easy. Thank God for that. Now we're gonna head to the Rylan store to see if we can get him a new phone for graduation. Whew, y'all, it's so hot. Like I haven't said that enough already. Okay, so I went into Verizon and that was an epic fail. I guess they're saying that their supply of phones is short because of COVID or whatever, that I need to go online and try and do the upgrade through customer service so that they can check the surrounding areas and all of that. It's just a mess, you guys. That's a hot mess. But I will go online and see what I can do. As of right now, I'm gonna head back home. The boys have haircut appointments and I am going to go with them so that I can hitch a ride to the mall to see if I can find something to wear. And also Ryan needs a different shirt. If you guys haven't been able to tell, I like to color coordinate when it comes to big events and stuff like that, just because it looks really good for the pictures. And it's memories, you guys. I like to always match with Rylan, and you know, we like to do that. The boys like to match their shoes and stuff like that. So I try our best to coordinate our outfits and stuff like that. So I'm looking for something blue. I have a dress for Rylan already. If you did not see our spring haul, the dress is in that. It's a blue dress. The romper I was looking at was very similar to that. So yeah, it would have been awesome if I just could have got that romper from Target and we would have been like matchy-matchy, but things happen and that's what I get for being super last minute. But when I initially saw that romper, you guys, I didn't think like, oh, I could wear this and this would match Rylan. It's just like all of a sudden now that my package is not here, I'm thinking what can we throw together really quick and last minute, and that romper would have been perfect. So it is what it is. We're gonna head home, then we're gonna go get haircuts, and then I still haven't figured out what's for dinner, y'all. I'm a mess today. I am a hot mess, but I'm gonna get through it. We'll figure out what's for dinner shortly. Okay, you guys, look who I got with me. Say hi, Rai. I picked up Rylan and I met Ryan at the house. We headed out to the valley. I am in the car. We are going to the mall while the guys are getting their hair cut. We're gonna go look in H&M really quick to see if we can find anything. Rylan. Right. What are you doing? You silly. Come on, baby. Come on. We found something. Okay, you guys, so we made it home. We are currently eating some Wingstop. My nose is running because I be getting them spicy Cajun wings and whoo, girl, they be so hot, but they be so good. But I am working on some cake toppers really quick for JoJo's cupcakes, just to jazz them up a little bit. My mouth is burning.
Juice. That's that Cajun.
Gonna jazz them up a little bit, and then after that, JoJo wants me to do his hair. So I'm going to try and get the cake toppers done, do his hair, and then get myself in the shower. Alright, you guys, so I am so freaking exhausted, but I got my stuff done. I am ready to wash my face, brush my teeth, hop in the shower, and get my little self in the bed, okay? Everyone else is already in the bed, either sleep or relaxing in the bed, and I am so ready to do the same. Tomorrow is graduation day. We got it done today. We prepped all day today, and we got our stuff done, you guys, so today was amazing. It was hard work, but I pushed through it and got it done, you guys. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that like button, you guys, because why wait any longer? And if you are not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. We would love to have you become a part of our YouTube family. Until next time, you guys, good night.